aircraft of the Indian Air Force launched from different bases spread all across the country at the precise and predetermined time over target is a telling statement on the reach, efficacy and pervasiveness that the Indian Air Force commands. The first formation, Chinook, led today by Wing Commander Rahul Sharma. Two heavy lift tandem rotor Chinook helicopters has the unique capability of airlifting up to 11 tons of underslung load. Depicting this capability, Chinook 1 is carrying a 20-feet sea container with the words "Touch the Sky with Glory" inscribed on it, while Chinook 2 is carrying a light field gun, all set to be delivered into the battlefield.
चिनूक हेलीकॉप्टर पिछले वर्ष मार्च में वायुसेना में शामिल हुआ, जिसकी वजह से वायुसेना की सैन्य और सिविल लिबर्टीज में इजाफा हुआ है। आसमान की ओर रुख करने वक्त आ चुका है। हैरत अंगेज कारनामों के साथ आपको रोमांच से सराबोर कर देने वाले ये विमान एक के बाद एक आपके ऊपर से गुजरेंगे और रोमांच की पराकाष्ठा तक ले जाएंगे आपको। चिनूक हेलीकॉप्टर्स दूर हवा में अपने निर्धारित स्थान की ओर अग्रसर होते हुए, और उनके बाद इंतजार हो रहा है एक और वायु विचरण का। ठीक सामने से आगमन होता हुआ वायुसेना की मारक क्षमता में इजाफा लाने वाले मी-35 और अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर्स, एकलव्य फॉर्मेशन, एक मी-35 हेलीकॉप्टर और 4 अपाचे शामिल। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन राजशेखर रेड्डी कर रहे हैं।
एकलव्य फॉर्मेशन led by Group Captain Rajshekhar Reddy, comprising Me-35 helicopters flanked by Apache helicopters.
Moving on from the rotary to the tactical airlift fleet.
And time now to move from the rotary to the tactical airlift fleet of the Indian Air Force. Coming in now is the Hercules formation, consisting of 3 C-130J Super Hercules aircraft flying in victory formation. The C-130J are capable of medium lift and special operations and have proven its mettle in both military and air to civil power. There you can see on your television screens, formation led by Group Captain V.P. Singh, Commanding Officer, 77th Squadron, Hercules formation.
3 C-130J सुपर हरक्यूलिस विमान इस समय वायुसेना दिवस परेड का हिस्सा बनते हुए नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन वीपी सिंह के हाथों।
These aircraft have contributed immensely for the critical COVID-related support missions in India as well as Maldives, Iran and Afghanistan.
रोमांच, साहस, कर्तव्य परायणता, यही है भारतीय वायुसेना की पहचान, जिसकी परिलक्षिता आज इस वायुसेना दिवस परेड को 4 चांद लगा रही है। और अब बारी है एक और वायु विचरण अभियान की, जिसमें ग्लोब फॉर्मेशन का अवलोकन होगा। कुछ ही क्षणों के पश्चात सबकी निगाहें आसमान की ओर उत्कंठा से प्रतीक्षा।
Next formation, globe formation, comprising a C-17 in the lead, flanked by on either side MiG-29 aircraft and Sukhoi 30 MKIs. Formation led by Group Captain A.K. Patnaik.
ग्लोब फॉर्मेशन, बीच में एक C-17, दोनों तरफ 2-2 MiG-29 और Su-30 MKI। नेतृत्व ग्रुप कैप्टन A.K. पटनायक।
Formation displaying mobilization and delivery of offensive air power strength of the Indian Air Force.
The next formation depicts the truly intimidating capability of the Indian Air Force. The 5 aircraft
जनसमूह दम साधे इस हैरत अंगेज अविस्मरणीय वायु विचरण का अवलोकन करते हुए वायुसेना दिवस परेड के अवसर पर।
The next formation depicting the truly intimidating capability of the Indian Air Force. The 5 aircraft Bahadur formation, comprising a Bison in the lead, flanked by 2 MiG-29 aircraft and 2 Sukhoi 30 aircraft, now streaking straight ahead from the skies towards the saluting desk. The Bahadur formation led today by Wing Commander M. Rana.
बहादुरी की मिसाल, बहादुर फॉर्मेशन, एक बाइसन, 2 Mi-29 और 2 सुखोई 30। नेतृत्व विंग कमांडर एम राणा। करतल ध्वनि से अभिनंदन उपस्थित जनसमूह द्वारा। इस हैरत अंगेज रोमांचकारी पराक्रम का। बहादुरों के बाद अब बारी है त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन की। सामने से त्रिशूल फॉर्मेशन, जिसमें 3 Su-30 विक फॉर्मेशन में आएंगे। उत्कंठा के साथ प्रतीक्षा।
The formation will carry out a Trishul maneuver right in front of the spectators here, and the two wingmen will split. Watch the leader pull up and the wingmen split, casting a trident or a Trishul up in the air.
विक फॉर्मेशन में इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं ग्रुप कैप्टन SP डोगरा। त्रिशूल देश की तीनों सेनाओं के सामंजस्य का भी परिचय है।
Next one is straight ahead to formation depicting the capability and intent.
And now, streaking from the horizon, the arrival of the next formation, Vijay formation, depicting the capability and intent of coming out victorious from any battle of the future. The Vijay formation has newly inducted Rafale aircraft in the lead, flanked by 2 Jaguar aircraft and 2 Mirage 2000. The formation will be led by Group Captain Neeraj Cham. The Rafale aircraft is a very high thrust and capable all-weather operations aircraft, and that's the Vijay formation, comprising Rafale flanked by Jaguars and Mirage 2000.
दांतों तले दबाने वाला प्रदर्शन, किसी भी युद्ध में जीत हासिल करने में सक्षम ये वायु विचरण करते हुए वायु योद्धा और उनके विमान आज के समारोह को पूर्णता प्रदान करते हैं।
Inverted for a half roll, this maneuver carried out to shoot down the adversary by exploiting the vertical plane. The half roll carried out to allow for a rapid change of direction for an optimum weapon solution. Now positioning for a loop. The looping maneuver in a vertical plane is indicative of the ability of the aircraft to rapidly change plane in a vertical fight with an adversary. Here she comes. Fix your gaze at the Tejas, pulling up into a loop shortly. And here she goes. For the next maneuver, the outside turn. It is pertinent to note the effortless manner in which the pilot has moved from a high G, which is a loop, to a negative G outside turn. This transition is highly telling of the abilities of our pilots to push their physical limits. And as he performs a knife-edge turn, the other two transformers, the Rafale and the Sukhoi, have joined up forces and are awaiting their turn to showcase their prowess. Tejas now tagging out for now, exiting the arena, making way for the Rafale and the Sukhoi, flying in from your right for a slow speed run. The ability of these fighter aircraft to fly low and slow is because of the exceptional aerodynamic design and superior engine performance. Keep looking to your right.